In this painting video, we will create a beautiful seascape step by step. We will start with the white and sky blue to paint a calm sky. Then we will add small mountains and iceberg in the background to give the scene more depth. Next we will paint the sea using ultramarine blue and black to make it looks deep and realistic. I will show you how to add waves and reflections. The main focus of the painting will be a large iceberg and a ship in the middle of the sea. I will guide you on how to paint the details. The focal point of our artwork will be a prominent iceberg and detailed ship positioned in the center. This ship shows the nature and human exploration of the sea. You will learn how to paint interact details for the iceberg textures. This step-by-step tutorial helps you to make this deep, beautiful seascape. So, follow this painting and you can create this beautiful scene. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.